Developing quality management plans for construction projects. Prior to the commencement of construction works, contractors are required to prepare a site-specific project quality management plan, or QMP, detailing the control procedures that is required to demonstrate its ability to consistently provide products and services that meet customer and applicable quality standard requirements. A quality management plan is a live document that is used and updated regularly during the life of the project or contract. The quality management plan must comply with applicable ISO 9001 standards and contract specifications for the project. A quality management plan would clearly define project or contract objectives, the resources to be used including management structure, personnel and their training for the work, personnel responsibilities and authorities, process controls to be used to deal with the work and risks involved including quality procedures and ITPs and associated checklists with methods for measurement and analysis, methods to be used to monitor and audit implementation, methods to be used to identify non-conformities and implement corrective and preventive actions, and methods to be used for document control and records management including maintaining, securing, protecting, storing, identifying, retrieving and otherwise controlling records for the periods required and then their disposal. A typical quality management plan would include a brief description of the scope of works associated with the contract should be documented. The description should be sufficiently detailed to provide persons unfamiliar with the contract an overview of the type of work being carried out and under what environmental conditions. A brief description of the works program should be documented. This may be in the form of a bar chart, Gantt chart, or any other form of documenting works program. The QMP should outline the project management structure, responsibilities, standards, and control systems applicable to the contract to ensure quality requirements are adequately addressed. Describe procedures to deal with document control. The key elements of document control are approval, distribution, and control of superseded documents. In addition, there must be evidence of control in the form of records. Describe procedures to purchase products and services required to deliver your project. This includes procedures to select and engage subcontractors and procedures to manage subcontractors' works on site. Describe procedures to deal with non-conforming products, non-compliance to document procedures and actions required to eliminate the causes of non-conformities in order to prevent recurrence. Describe procedures for inspection and tests required on incoming goods in process and final inspections required to ensure that the quality of the product delivered is as per contract requirements. Technical procedures for each construction activity. The technical procedures would include inspection and test plans or ITPs with a checklist to record inspection and test results. This is the most important element of quality management. Describe procedures to deal with training requirements for staff involved with the project. Describe procedures to deal with records creation, storage, and disposal according to specified requirements. And finally, standard forms required to record day-to-day activities. Options to develop quality management plans. You have a couple of options available to get your construction project quality management plan, and these are: you can prepare your own plan with the expertise and resources available in your organization, which is the preferred option, following these guidelines. You can hire a consultant to draft one for you, which is the least preferred option for many. Or you can get a template from providers on the internet and tailor it to the specifics of your organization and project, which is the most economical and best option for most. Tailoring template by you and your team gives you ownership and understanding of the plan and confidence to implement it. The choice is yours. The bottom line is to have a plan that is easy to understand and implement, written in plain English so everyone understands it, and is compliant to the ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management Systems standards. If you don't have the expertise or resources to write a plan from scratch, you can get a project quality management plan with all these attributes on the internet at www.constructionqualityplan.com.